Are you still chasing clients over messy email chains just to get your PBC documents? If you are ready to stop drowning in disorganized files, you are in the right place. Today, we are looking at Suralink, an agentic automation platform built specifically for accounting, tax, and advisory firms. In this video, we'll break down how Suralink acts as a complete request-to-review platform to simplify your client document management. So what exactly is Suralink? At its core, it's a secure space designed to unify your client requests, automate your work paper preparation, and elevate your entire engagement workflow. Instead of using 3 or 4 different tools, Suralink brings everything into one integrated system. Let's talk about the key features you'll use to manage your projects. First is the request list management. This lets you request, organize, and track PBC documents in real time, so both you and your clients always know what's pending and what's received. Next is the Suralink Agent Library. This uses AI agents to help automate your audit workflow from the moment a document is uploaded until it's ready to review. You also get a built-in work paper suite, secure one-off file sharing with unique links, integrated e-signatures, and a client data vault where clients can easily see their submission history. There's even a cloud testing suite to automatically pre-screen data and complete sample testing, plus AI-powered financial statement tie-outs. Now, when it comes to hands-on user feedback, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have independent user reviews or specific pros and cons in our database for this platform yet. However, looking at the features, the obvious pros are the sheer depth of integration, combining secure file transfer, AI automation, and tracking in one place. The main consideration is that because it's a highly specialized enterprise tool for accounting firms, you will need to book a direct demo on their website to get custom pricing and see how it fits your specific team's scale. If your firm is looking to close the client readiness gap and automate manual document tracking, Suralink is definitely a platform to check out. Head over to Suralink.com to calculate your potential ROI or schedule a demo. What tools are you currently using to manage your audit and tax documents? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more software walkthroughs, and we'll see you in the next one.